Guys, David Rishka here in Phoenix, Arizona, and I was just sitting here listening to music, and I thought I would shoot a short video for you. And I want to ask you a couple questions. First, how would it feel waking up every morning knowing that you don't have to go to work anymore? How would it feel knowing that you don't have to listen to your boss and knowing that there is no cap on your income? How would it feel for you knowing that you can provide for your kids, for your family, 5 times, 10 times more than you used to, and that there is no cap on your income? How would it feel that knowing that you can pack up at any time, pack your things and go anywhere in the world for as long as you want, doing the things that you love? How would all that feel for you? I think freedom is one of the most beautiful things that a human being can achieve in his lifetime. And I'm just reading a book, and Les Brown, who is the writer of the book, is saying that recent research shows that 85% of heart attacks in the United States occur on Monday morning between 7 and 9 a.m. He says people are literally dying going to work. He's actually making a joke out of it, but that's the truth. And that shows how many people are unhappy with their life situation, with their career, with their job. They only do it because it provides for the family. They're making money, they're doing the job. They have to support their kids, and put food on the table. But there are so many people in the world who are unhappy. And the other thing is, we live in an era where computers and technology and machines are replacing jobs that humans used to have, the work that humans used to have. But in 10 years, 15 years, we'll have self-driving cars. A lot of drivers are gonna lose their jobs, even truck drivers. The cashiers, all those jobs will be gone. You will have machines. People are already going through like self-checkout places. Even McDonald's have those big screens where you order your own food and they will bring it out for you. I mean, it's crazy. We live in a digital era where literally human beings are losing their jobs, and those jobs are replaced by robots and computers. So I know for a fact that this is a really good time to learn a new skill where you can start creating some kind of income on the internet. And I've been doing this for a couple of years. I was very unsuccessful at first. I spent thousands of dollars on trial and error, on different education and stuff like that. And I just couldn't make any progress. It was terrible. I was pretty depressed about it. But I just joined the company, a legendary marketer, and everything's changed. I have a coach who shows me the ropes. They have lots of educational videos where you can learn different things, and it's not really right to have a successful online business. I mean, there are guys who are not the most intelligent people in the world, and they're making tens of thousands of dollars every month. And I'm not saying or claiming that you're gonna start your business and right off the bat you're gonna start making, $10,000 a month. The results are not typical, so everybody's different. Everybody has different results. But if you work on yourself, if you educate yourself and take the necessary steps, if you follow the systems, and if you follow what your coach is teaching you, you will have a great you will have a great chance to succeed just like other people are. I'm gonna leave a link below this video and or button And I invite you to go ahead and check it out, click on it, subscribe with us, and learn a new skill. I mean, like, you can achieve freedom just like anybody else. You're gonna have to work at it. I'm not gonna lie. You're gonna have to learn new things, but it'll be worth it. If you are learning something, might as well learn something that's gonna create beautiful future for yourself, instead of learning a new job that's only temporary until you get bored or fired. And so work on yourself and for yourself. And I hope to see you on the other side, my friend. If you have any questions, comment below or send me email, and I will speak with you soon.